Hello friends, it's Jama Malmy. Thanks for joining me for another scrapbook process video. Today I'm putting together a kit that I had still in my stash. I love these kits, but I mainly wanted to show it to you because look at this background. You probably noticed there were some pieces that were pre-printed on that base page, but then there's these other pieces that came pre-cut in the kit that look like they could be scraps. So I wanted to show it to you, and there's the design up in the left. I wanted to show it to you because this would be a great option to use up your scraps. I'm sure you have all of these odd size scraps in your stash from other projects, and it would be perfect for this design. So I'm pretty much putting this together as the kit told me to. I had these photos that were printed at 4x4, and I decided to trim them down to 3x4 because I thought that would look best with this background. These are photos from when my daughter got her big girl bed, graduated from her toddler bed, which was her crib converted, and she got to have a really big queen size bed, and she was so excited. At the time, which was several years ago, her room doubled as our guest room, so the guest bed became her bed, and it was so funny because she looked like a little peanut in that big bed. And then her toddler bed / crib went to her little brother, which you can see her cuddling with him in that photo on the right. So cute. So I cut them all to 3x4 and put them in the places that that photo told me to. So this kit, in case you're wondering and you do like to put kits together, this is from one of Close to My Heart's Cut Above kits, which is supposed to be a calendar kit. It comes with 13 12x12 layouts. Each one has a pre-printed background, some pre-printed die cuts, and stickers. So you can see here these die cuts that create kind of ephemera pieces to layer up on the layout in my clusters, and even journaling strips. That's what these little strips are. And it comes together really easily, and I love these kits because it gets scrapbooking done really fast. But they're also really flexible, and you may have seen in some other videos I've done before where I take these kits and maybe use some parts and pieces from them, like the base page is what I used in my last layout, my last video, and I'll link that here, where I took the base page but then kind of ran with it and did my own thing. So it's really flexible whether you just want to get a bunch of scrapbooking done and follow the layout kit, and they're all really cute, or if you want to do your own thing. So the nice thing about these calendar kits is you can turn them into a calendar, or you can just do the layouts, which is what I typically do. But the calendars make a really good gift, and you can put them on a 12x12 calendar, which Close to My Heart also sells, and then take them off at the end of the month and put them in your album. So these stickers, which I thought the title worked out perfectly. A lot of times I'll change the title, but this says Lovely Days, and I thought that that was very suitable for these photos. I'm going to put the flowers up on 3D foam so that they have a little bit of dimension, and this is really coming together very quickly. This is a very quick video, and just wanted to show you this quick little process and layout idea for using your scraps, or how to put this layout together if you have the kit. So I did add some enamel dots. Those don't come in the kit, so I added those from my stash. And then I will also add a few clear sparkles. I like grouping these around my little embellishment clusters, usually in groups of 3. So usually I have 3 embellishment clusters to create that visual triangle, and then I'll create the little small little pieces in those clusters as well. So here are a few still shots of the finished layout. I hope that you enjoyed. If you're interested in the kit, I'll leave it linked below, as well as some of the other products that I used. But I hope this gave you some ideas for your scraps. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already, hit that like button, and I would love if you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming scrapbook videos. The creative design team will have our collaboration next week, so you don't want to miss it. Have a wonderful day.